We all use affirmations on a daily basis whether we realize it or not. Whether you are saying things like, "I cannot wait to have something," or if it's a nice day out and you say, "This is a beautiful day, I hope that it continues." Or, if someone feels as if they are having a lucky day, and they make the statement, "I am having a great day, I wonder what else can go great for me." You can also use affirmations to affirm negative things such as, "I never win" or "Things never work out for me." Though negative, these are still affirmations and you will get exactly what you are affirming. Affirmations are statements that we can use in order to get whatever we want and desire in life. Whether it is to attract something good into our lives or something not so good. Words are very powerful, so you have to watch the words that you use on a daily basis, because we get what we affirm whether the words that we are using are good or bad. Because universal energies doesn't distinguish between good or bad, it just gives back to you what you've been focused on thinking or feeling. So, you may as well affirm greatness. Also, when you use visualization along with your affirmations, it makes what you affirming even more powerful. So visualize what you desire to happen while you are reciting your affirmations, and miracles will take place in your life on a daily basis. Here are some affirmations that you can use to command overall well-being and great health into your life. 1. I expect only the best to happen, and it does. 2. My body is healthy and my mind is peaceful and clear. 3. I allow myself to think and dream in unlimited ways. 4. I look more and more beautiful each and every day. 5. My work is my play. I do what I love. 6. I wake up full of joy. I look forward to my day. 7. I appreciate all that I have. 8. I do whatever I please and it feels great. 9. I bring love and a positive attitude to everything that I do. 10. I create what I want effortlessly. 11. I change the world around me by changing myself. 12. I let go easily, trusting that nothing leaves my life unless something better is coming. 13. I am happy, healthy and whole. 14. I love my body just as I am. 15. I love my life, it is wonderful, exciting and fun. 16. I wake up full of joy and I look forward to my day. 17. I have a balanced, healthy life and I take care of myself. 18. I trust that I will always be okay. 19. I deserve to be happy. 20. I have all that I want and desire. 21. Life is amazing, only good things happen to me. You should use affirmations daily in order to keep yourself in the vibrations of always feeling good. Even if you feel you are affirming something that hasn't occurred in your life yet. When you affirm what you want before seeing the evidence of it, you are sending out a powerful vibration into the universe of what you desire and you will receive it. You can select plan below, http://bit.ly/beliefs-law of attraction. I attached link below description. And follow it. If you enjoy this video, please like and subscribe for more, or share to help more people. Thank you so much.